Hello, this is Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can have your text messages go to your email as well as your app and dashboard. This feature enhances accessibility and ensures you stay connected across multiple platforms. We can easily set this up using our Vumber app. Start off by opening up the Vumber app on your device. Now hit the hamburger menu located in the top left to open the sidebar, and then hit My Numbers. From here, you are going to want to locate the number you wish to set up this feature for, and then tap Configure beside it. From the different menu options, select Text Messaging. You will then see from the first two options, you can choose to have your text messages go to only your dashboard and the app, or to also have them go to your email. Simply tap the option you desire and your changes will be saved automatically. If you do choose to have text to go to your email, you can reply back to the text message directly from your email. All you have to do is reply to the email as normal and we'll take care of the rest, converting your email response into a text message sent from your Vumber number. If you are experiencing any issues, please let us know by contacting support@vumber.com. Bye for now.